Welcome back to another visit to the South Devon Railway in Buckfastleigh, Devon, UK. As I said in my previous video of this wonderful heritage railway, this used to be called the Dart Valley Line. Our visit this time was made on the 12th of September 2025, and rather than breaking our journey at Staverton, this time we decided to walk into Totnes Town Centre to see if we could find the castle there. The town visit to Totnes comes after the steam train departure from Totnes Station, should you wish to skip that section. Throughout this presentation will be video and photos. This time we travelled in the converted auto trailer 233 that is used to provide wheelchair access and nice views of the line. The Prairie Tank 5526 was in steam this time. After getting underway and taking a short video of the line from the window, I popped back to the other end of the auto coach to see the controls and gauges. On arrival at Totnes, we took in some of the station scenes before recording the Prairie Tank running around her train, then taking water, most of which seemed to be leaking out onto the boiler, and then making a lovely departure from the station. After the train departs, we pause to watch the signalman wind open the crossing gates, then head off to Totnes Town Centre, which is a good 20-minute walk away. As the walk progresses, we passed over a suspended footbridge with views along the river and towards the mainline railway. As we walked along the outskirts of a playing field, we caught our first glimpse of the castle and St Mary's Church. The town itself can be described as vibrant, with many places to eat and street entertainers, such as this wonderful guitarist. First views of Totnes. The steep street is in use by traffic and you must be mindful of this. Also be aware that some people will try and walk through you or your dog if you have one. We made it to St Mary's Church that was under intensive restoration. The shops are very varied and are of the boutique style. On reaching Market Square, it being a Friday, the market was in full swing. Saturday is the other market day in Totnes. Eventually we tracked down the castle. There was a nice seating area outside the grounds, which you can pay a, in my opinion, largish fee to go around. On the way back I looked at Totnes mainline railway station before heading back to the steam train. Hope you enjoyed that.